Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is about chocolate mousse. In a round stainless steel bowl, whip the egg yolks until pale. Make a syrup with the sugar and water and boil 218 degrees. Whip the hot syrup into the yolks and continue whipping until cool. Melt the chocolate over oven bain-marie, and once it is ready, add to the egg mixture. Whip the cream until it forms soft peaks. Whip 1/3 of the cream into the chocolate mixture, then fold in the remaining cream until well incorporated. Thank you for being part of my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.